And now from transport, let's head to livestock. The livestock sector contributes 12% of the country's GDP and supports the livelihoods of more than 10 million Kenyans. The sector remains grossly underfunded from both the national and county government levels. According to a report compiled by Kenya Markets Trust, the agriculture sector in general is grossly underfunded. For instance, during the financial years 2017-2018 and 2018-2019, allocations to the sector hardly reached 10%. This is not sufficient for sustainable development of the sector as a whole. Findings from the report indicate existing political and decision-making processes are key constraints and challenges across the livestock value chain.
And that is why a lot of government businesses are now in line for privatization. So grab those positions, make sure those businesses which the government were doing and subsidizing and failing, like the KMC and others, are bought by you and put it very profitably. The other thing is that we have just introduced a bill in Parliament whereby the government cannot increase any tax without serious public participation. Government used to talk of public participation, but in law it wasn't clear. We have come up with a bill, and I think in future your foot and mouth vaccine will not be increased without your participation.
And now on farming, farmers in Busia County have been urged to do upland rice farming, which does well in all parts of the county. According to Mdogo Rotich, soil expert from the seed company, Nerika rice does well in all parts of Busia County, and the farmer can produce between 20 and 25 bags per acre. Rotich said upland rice farming requires less labor and can easily be managed compared to paddy rice, where a farmer needs to put seeds in nursery beds before transplanting to flood waters.
Nerika 1 unaweza pata kwa sehemu ya eka moja, unaweza pata gunia 20, na hiyo ndio aromatic, hiyo ndio inapendwa sana kwa soko. Kwa hivyo kwa eka moja unahitaji mbegu kati ya kilo 18 hadi kilo 20, na utapata mazao ya gunia 20 ukipanda aina ya Nerika 1. Nerika 4, Nerika 10 na Nerika 11 iko na uwezo ya kusalisha gunia 25 kwa sehemu ya eka moja.
We have been doing some demos in Bunyala for lowland rice, but also for upland rice. We have other demos apart from this one in other parts of the county. But this is the first one that farmers have come to see in a large-scale basis because of KFI's support.
Tungeambia wakulima wajiunge pamoja, wale wanataka kupanda mchele. Najua hata serikali in the promotion of the big four itakuja iwasaidie, kwa sababu rice, mchele ni one of the crop ile